Our video retake is going to only cover 2 problems. It's going to be pretty short. All we have to do for each of these problems is combine all of the x terms and combine all of the regular number terms on each side, and then solve the equation like we've been solving it before. Now, before we start solving anything, we got to draw our line down our equal sign, and we are going to combine all of the x's on the left side first. So I see positive 2x, negative 4y, and positive 6x. These two combine to be negative 2x plus 6 will be a positive 4x on the left side of our equation. The number 6 is left alone already, so we're just going to rewrite that as positive 6. Remember, once again, you cannot combine your x's and your regular numbers. You've probably heard that story a million times by now, and I'm sure you're very sick of it. On the right side, we have negative 14. Doesn't combine with anything else. And now we just have a 2-step equation. So we're just going to solve our 2-step equation just like we've been doing. We subtract 6 from both sides to get 4x equals negative 20. Divide everything by 4. And we get x equals negative 5 as our answer. To check our answer, all we do is we take our negative 5 and we're going to plug it into each value of x, because by rule, each x must be the same. So I'm going to do 2 times negative 5 minus 4 times negative 5 plus 6 times negative 5. And if you notice, it's pretty easy to run out of room here. When we're done, this should equal negative 14. 2 times negative 5 is negative 10. Negative 4 times negative 5 is positive 20. Plus 6 stays. And 6 times negative 5 is negative 30. We end up getting positive 10. Plus 6 is 16. 16 minus 30 is negative 14, which is what we wanted it to equal. Therefore, our answer is correct. Let's do one final problem. Now, it looks different because we have all of our variables on the right side instead of the left, but the process should be the same. Once again, we're going to combine all of our variables together and all of our regular numbers together. So let's combine those variables first. I have negative 2y minus 3y plus 8y. This is negative 5y plus 8y is equal to 3y as a positive. Now we're going to combine together negative 4 and positive 5, which is equal to positive 1. And the right side of our equation is still negative 5. So from here, we're going to solve our equation just like we've been doing. We're going to subtract 1 from both sides to get 3y is equal to negative 6. We divide by 3. So negative 2 is equal to y. And our very last step is we're going to check our answer by plugging negative 2 in for each of these individual values of y. So we're going to do negative 4 minus 2 times negative 2 minus 3 times negative 2 plus 5. That's going to stay. And then plus 8 times negative 2. Looks a little crazy, but we have negative 4 is going to stay. Negative 2 times negative 2 is positive 4. Negative 3 times negative 2 is positive 6. Plus 5 minus 16. And we want all of this to be equal to negative 5. Well, that's equal to 0. And then 6 plus 5 is 11. 11 minus 16 is negative 5. Therefore, our answer must be correct. As a reminder, when you get decimal answers, you can come talk to me, and I can show you a program that will help you check your answers a little bit faster. As always, if you have any questions, please let me know.